Hello, welcome back to tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to perform mosaicking in IGiS software. So, let's begin. Open the software. I have already added multiple images in the view. You can see that there are many multiple images available in the view. So, I have to combine these multiple images into single image. For this process, go to the Image Processing tab. Under Data Preparation, click on Mosaicking tool. Then a GUI will open. Then again, click on Mosaicking. Here, you will see that there are two types of mosaicking. One is geo-referenced and another is pixel-based. Here, we will learn geo-referenced based. So, click on that. A new GUI will open. First, you have to give input your multiple images. For this, go to File menu and click on Open. Select your all multiple images using Ctrl key. Once you select all the images, then click on Open. For seamless mosaicking, you can set pixel size, no data value, with feathering, draw cut line, etc. Once you have done all this parameter, then go to the output image file and select your folder where you want save this output image. Give the output name and click on Save. Then click on OK. Image mosaicking is successfully completed. If you want to add this output image in the view, then click on Yes. The output image will be added in this view. You can see that multiple images are successfully mosaicked into a single image. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.